Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter Power Boost full hybrid engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package and the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we've got rear park sensing, tow hitch, got that nice backup camera. We have this nice gripped running board, side view camera with blind spot detection, spotlight and turn light indicator mirrors. And moving to the front, we do have front park sensing, two tow hooks, license plate bracket, should be right there, front park sensing, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black perforated leathering with brown accents, plenty of door space with that B&O sound system. We got cup holders right there, 2 heated back seats, a 12-volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120. And of course you can fold this down for 2 cup holders and some arm space. And you can lift up the seats for additional storage with a nice flat fold storage system. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats. The same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space. We got memory seating for up to 3 drivers, powered door mirrors. And moving over here, we have our parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights. You got your gas cap, spotlights on your mirrors, and tailgate opener on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 118 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at your screen, or your main menu, you have My View, Trip and Feel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see it on that red truck ahead of me. Basically just shows you your kilometers per hour, limits the distractions, so you don't always have to look at this screen right here. I'm just going to click into it real quick. And you can do drive mode layout, which you can have off-road, tow and haul, normal, automatic. So right now I have it on off-road, and it just kind of looks like that, which is pretty nice. Tells you your wheel alignment and all that. We do have our gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Over here we have our gear shift, speed adjusters, it's collapsible, more storage there with cup holders, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C, and it does close. Leather wrap center console with an interior work surface that does fold up that way too for your console. Tons of storage down there. You have your drive modes, rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, engine start, heated and cooled front seats. I'm just going to turn that right on. Dual climate with 120 volt where you can turn it on from here. And it's just right there because you have Pro Power Onboard, storage right there and below. Storage right there with my other phone. You also have a nice rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and a garage door transmitter. Your Pro Power Onboard's just right here. 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction, and we do get BLUECRUISE with this vehicle. Looking at your main screen here, you do have your audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities. You have your phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, your Pro Power Onboard, all that fun stuff. Apps in general, you do have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB49298, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.